what's going on? So this morning I'm out on the Treasure Coast. I'm at a really historical spot. That building behind me that you can see, that is a place called the House of Refuge. It was built way back in like 1875. It is the oldest historical building here in Martin County. It was built by the United States government as a life-saving effort to help sailors that would get stranded on this coast. But that's why I came here this morning, because I thought it would be a great place to shoot an episode of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. In the last episode, I spotlighted 3 shots from Veterans Memorial Park and the river behind it, and you voted on your favorite shot. While I'm setting up this drone to get this week's shots, why don't we take a look at last week and see which shot won? All 3 shots received a lot of votes, so I'd like to thank each and every one of you that voted. Thank you so much for that. Disney Vacation Channel said, "I love shot 1. I always find those over-the-water shots with movement on the water to be so appealing. Thanks, Scott." Thank you, Disney Vacation Channel, for casting your vote. Irene said, "I love shot 2. The city with all the trees in between." Thank you, Irene, for voting. And All About the Philippine Relations channel said, "Hi Scott, all very nice shots, but 3 stands out to me. But the shot that won episode 1 was shot number 1. Yeah, so it's time to launch this drone and let's get 3 shots for you to vote on. Alright, so those were the 3 shots. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. Hey, if you like this video, please hit that like button. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell notification so you can get future notifications when I put videos out. Also, if you really love this video, share it like on any of your social media. That will help this video do better in YouTube's algorithm or whatever. But yeah, that would really help me out and I would appreciate it. Hey, I'm Scott and this is my journey, and I will see you in the next video.